How to retouch skin in Photoshop. Let's get into it. With your image imported, come over to your layers panel, select your layer and then press Command or Control J on your keyboard to create a duplicate. I'm going to rename this duplicate Spot Healing Brush Tool, as that's the tool we're going to be using in this tutorial. Next, come over to your toolbar and you should see this Spot Healing Brush Tool. If you don't, click into this menu and you'll be able to select it from the top here. Next, come up to your brushes and make your brush a size that's appropriate for your project. I'm going to go for around 50 in my example with a hardness of 75%. Make sure your type is set to content aware, and then you can just start clicking on the blemishes that you need to remove. You may need to zoom in to do this, so I'm just going to zoom in right here and I'm going to start going around my image and just clicking on the areas that need to be fixed. Once you've finished going around your image with the brush tool, you can come over to your layers panel and enable and disable this layer that we just created to see the difference that you've made to your image. And that's all there is to it.